Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is some good traffic sources that does not need to be ignored when you're trying to get traffic to your online businesses or lead capture pages or online business opportunities. So I'm gonna give about I think I got like six, maybe seven sources, something like that, that I recommend you guys might want to try. All of this is paid traffic. And the first one that I'm going to talk to y'all today about is Udemy. Now, Udemy, as you can see right here, is a good place to buy solo ads. Uh, I think it's one of the top places to get some good quality traffic. There's some real good vendors in here, and they gotta come with good traffic. If not, uh, other vendors will get their sales. So everybody over here has to come with good traffic. Now, my next source I'm going to show y'all right here is SEO Clerks. This is a good place to get traffic from a lot of different vendors. But also, if you want some SEO done, you can get that. If you want YouTube views, it's a lot of people over here that can do a lot of incredible and amazing stuff. So don't sleep on SEO Clerks. That's one you definitely don't want to ignore. Okay, now I'm going to move over to gothits.org. This is another great place. You just set up a free account and you can just go in there and buy traffic. And they always have specials and stuff. So this is another quality traffic source. And right here, it's rent a list. Now you can make bank with this site. They got a 188 number where you can call and speak with experts about what you want. Uh, I mean, it's under the web traffic 21 now, but rent a list. I'm going to have a link down there in the description. Okay, let me move on. I'm trying to not make this just the longest video in the world. Okay, solo ad directory. This is another good place with a lot of good vendors for solo ad email traffic. So you don't want to sleep on this one. Let me go over here to this one. This is $10 solo ads. For only $10, you can get some real good solo ad traffic right here. Okay. Uh, yeah, right here. This is my blog. Go over here. You can go to my marketing resources page if you want to see some more good traffic places. You just click this right here. It's going to take a little second to load here. Okay. Okay, this is my marketing resources page. I deal with a lot of distractions, but you can see this page is loaded, and I will always continually to frequently update this page whenever I have some time, because I do a lot of other stuff. But I mean, it's even more traffic sources right here. So these are great places you want to get some good quality traffic to your offers, lead capture pages, online businesses, or whatnot. I'm gonna put all the links below. My blog, mailorderprograms.net, that will be the last link in the description. It's not just about shooting a video every time to sell you guys an opportunity. I'm also here to help you guys as far as getting good quality traffic and getting eyeballs on you guys' websites, online businesses, and lead capture pages. So, with that being said, check out all the links below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel Spread the word about this channel and also click that notification bell, and y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.